body works so hard.
Let's move on. An injured champion Sandhu battled through pain to win the 77th Limuru Open after finishing 5 under par at Limuru Country Club. The tournament also saw junior golfers shine during the historic 100th.
I just won the Limuru Open Championship. I'm very proud to have won. It's been hard work, and the hard work is paying off. Very proud of myself. And from here, I plan to play the remaining Kenya Swing events. I want to win both the remaining events. If God allows, that will happen. But generally, very happy with myself and with the way I played. I'd say the thing that worked the most this week was my short game and my driving. I drove the ball very straight. I hit most of the fairways, and then from there, my short game was really good.
Now, National Secondary School Netball will be having a new champion.